Imagine a life where stress melts away, your mind is clear, and your soul feels at peace. In this video, we'll explore how the ancient practice of meditation can transform every aspect of your life, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Lesson 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. One of the most important things that meditation does is help lower worry and anxiety. We are constantly being hit with things from all sides in today's world, and our minds are often full of fears and worries. Stress and worry can make us feel like we can't think straight. Now is the time when meditation really helps. People who follow Buddhism are taught that a lot of our suffering comes from being attached to things like ideas, feelings, and outcomes. We cause ourselves stress by holding on to these things. Meditation teaches us to be aware of our thoughts without getting caught up in them. When we practice awareness, we start to see that our thoughts come and go like clouds. Just being aware of this can help us feel less stressed because it helps us see that our thoughts don't define us or last forever. Meditation helps us pay attention to the present moment by making us focus on our breath. You don't worry about the past or the future when you are in the moment. Being mindfully present dissolves stress and worry, which are often caused by regrets from the past or fears about the future. Regular meditation trains your mind to stay in the present, which naturally makes you feel less anxious. There are physical effects that meditation has on the body. It lowers the stress hormone cortisol, slows down the heart rate, and makes you feel cool and relaxed. Because it relaxes both the mind and the body, meditation is one of the best ways to deal with worry and anxiety. Lesson 2. Helps you sleep better. Sleep is important for our health, but a lot of people have trouble going asleep, staying asleep, or staying asleep. Meditation is a great way to deal with these usual problems. It is a central idea in Buddhist teachings that a mind that is restless leads to a body that is restless. It's hard to let go and relax deeply enough to sleep when your mind is full of fears, thoughts, and other things that need your attention. Meditation helps clear the mind and get it ready for a good night's sleep by making you feel calm and reducing the mental noise that keeps us awake at night. When you do mindfulness meditation before bed, you train your mind to let go of the day's problems and become aware of the present moment. This state makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep all night because it relaxes your body. Buddhists often use breathing exercises, body scanning, or focused on a mantra as part of their meditation. These are all meant to take the mind off of things that are stressful and put it on something relaxing. These activities teach you to tune out the noise in your mind and concentrate on the present moment, which makes it easier to fall asleep. Meditation can help people who have trouble sleeping because of stress or an active mind. When you meditate every night before bed, you build a healthy habit that gets your body and mind ready for sleep. Over time, your brain will connect meditating with sleep and relaxation, which will make it easier for you to fall asleep on your own. Sleep is an important part of living a good life. If you meditate to improve the quality of your sleep, you will also be able to do your best during the day. You can start each day with a sense of calm and purpose if you get enough sleep. It will improve your mood, give you more energy, and clear your mind. Lesson 3. Makes you feel better. One more way that meditation can change your life is by making you feel better. Buddhists believe that meditation can help them find happiness and peace within themselves. This happiness doesn't depend on what's going on around you. It comes from inside you. When you meditate regularly, you feel deeply peaceful and happy, and the ups and downs of life don't easily shake that feeling. Meditation can help you get rid of negative thoughts and feelings, which is one reason why it's so good for your health. A lot of the time, we let outside events or our feelings control our mood. We might be mad or happy depending on what happens, but these feelings are short-lived and not always accurate. Meditation teaches you to be aware of your feelings without judging them or getting caught up in them. By being aware, you start to understand that feelings and thoughts both come and go. They only last a short time and don't make you who you are. Putting this space between yourself and your feelings gives you more power over how you handle problems in your life. Meditation also makes the brain make more serotonin and endorphins, which are chemicals that make you feel good. Feelings of happiness, joy, and well-being are linked to these neurotransmitters. They feel better about life because regular meditation makes them more productive. Meditation not only makes you more compassionate and loving toward other people, but it also makes you more compassionate and loving toward yourself. You simply feel better and happier when you are kind to yourself. Buddhist teachings stress how important compassion is. You can develop this powerful quality through meditation, which will then improve your general health and happiness. Lesson 4. Helps you concentrate and focus. These days, it's more important than ever to be able to focus and concentrate. It's important to be able to focus your mind when you're working, studying, or doing everyday things. Focus and concentration get better when you meditate, especially when you practice awareness meditation. Mindfulness, or being fully present in the present moment, is something that is talked about a lot in Buddhist lessons. Because you're practicing awareness meditation, your mind learns to stay on one thing, like your breath, a mantra, or something you see. This practice makes your mental muscles stronger over time, which makes it easier to focus for long amounts of time. The idea that our minds are always moving from one thought to another is called the monkey mind in Buddhist teachings. This is why many people have trouble focusing. This racing mind can be calmed down by meditation, which also teaches you how to stay focused without getting sidetracked. As you get better at meditation, you'll find that you can concentrate on things more clearly and quickly. Meditation is a good way to train your mind. Meditation makes your mind stronger in the same way that exercise makes your body stronger. Your ability to focus on work, school, or personal projects will get better as you practice discipline through meditation and in other parts of your life. One long-term effect of being more focused is being more productive. When you can focus on a job without being interrupted, you can get it done faster and look more closely at the details. This sharper attention not only gets more done, but it also makes the work you do better. Meditation really does change the way you do things. It makes you more present, aware, and centered in everything you do. Lesson 5. Makes you more self-aware. Being aware of yourself is the first step to changing and growing as a person, and meditation is one of the best ways to do that. Being self-aware is a big part of Buddhism, and so is practicing mindfulness. Meditation teaches you to be aware of your feelings, thoughts, and actions without judging them. This helps you understand yourself better. It's common for people to respond to things without really knowing why they make them feel or act the way they do. This natural process is slowed down by meditation, which lets you see your inner world more clearly. When you focus, you become more aware of the ways you think, feel, and act automatically. Being more self-aware gives you the power to make choices instead of just responding to what happens in your life. If you know what sets off your bad habits and patterns, you can stop doing them and make positive changes in your life. Meditation gives you the tools you need to become more self-aware, which is the key to personal growth. Self-awareness is more than just knowing what you think and feel. You also become more aware of your body and what it needs when you meditate. You learn to pay attention to your body's messages, which can improve your health and well-being. Being more aware of the whole person helps you take better care of your mind and body. Self-awareness is seen as a way to enlightenment in Buddhist beliefs. Being able to go beyond the limits of the ego and connect with your real nature means getting to know yourself deeply. This link makes me feel peaceful and happy inside, regardless of what's going on outside. By making you deeply aware of yourself, meditation changes everything and changes your life from the inside out. Lesson 6. Makes relationships better. Having relationships is an important part of life, and meditation can help you get along better with other people. Buddhist lessons stress how important it is to be compassionate, kind, and understanding with everyone, whether they are family, friends, or strangers. These traits get stronger through meditation, which makes it easier to connect with others on a deeper level. One reason why meditation makes relationships better is that it helps people control their emotions. Being more aware of your feelings and thoughts makes you less likely to act without thinking or let your anger and rage take over. You can instead deal with things by being more patient and understanding. This mental stability makes you a better friend, family member, or partner because you can help and care for others more. Meditation also makes it easier to listen and be present when you're with other people. Many people have trouble being fully present during talks these days because life is so busy. Often, they are thinking about what to say next or worried about things that have nothing to do with what they are talking about. Being fully present is something that meditation teaches you. This makes you a better listener and makes your relationships better. Meditation also helps you become more empathetic and compassionate. As you become more aware of your own feelings and thoughts, you also become more sensitive to how other people feel. You can connect with people on a deeper level and understand their wants and worries when you have more empathy. Buddhist lessons stress how important it is to be loving and kind to all living things, not just ourselves. This loving kindness grows as you meditate because it makes you more likely to show care in your daily life. As you work on this trait, your relationships will automatically get better, becoming more peaceful and satisfying. Lesson 7. Reduces pain. Life will always have pain, whether it's physical or mental. Meditation, on the other hand, can help lessen the pain and change how we feel about it. According to Buddhism, pain is a normal part of being human, but meditation can help ease that suffering. When we're in pain, our first instinct is to fight it, which usually makes things worse. Meditation helps us learn to accept pain without fighting it or judging it. We change how we feel about pain when we watch it without responding to it. We learn to live with pain in a more peaceful way instead of trying to get rid of it. You can focus on the present moment instead of the pain when you do awareness meditation. This change in focus lets you notice the pain feelings without getting attached to them or letting them take over. By doing this, you lessen the mental pain that comes with being in pain. It has been shown by scientists that meditation can change how the brain deals with pain. Meditating regularly has been linked to a lower awareness of pain and a better ability to handle it. In other words, the pain may still be there, but your mind gets stronger to deal with it, so you feel less pain altogether. Buddhist beliefs tell us to accept that both happiness and sadness are normal parts of being human. Meditation helps us deal with pain in a brave and calm way, rather than having it control us. One of the most powerful ways that meditation can change your life is by helping you deal with and lessen pain. Lesson 8. Makes you more creative. People often think of creativity as a strange and hard to find trait, but meditation can help you be more creative. Buddhist beliefs say that when you are calm and focused, your mind is more likely to be inspired and creative. It can be hard to think of new ideas when your mind is full of stress, fears, and other things that are distracting you. Meditation gets rid of all this mental junk, which lets your creativity run naturally. When you do awareness meditation, you make room in your mind for new thoughts to come up. Minds are more open to creative ideas when they are fully present in the present moment. Meditation also makes you more relaxed, which makes it easier to think of new ideas. It has been shown to help many artists, writers, and inventors get in touch with their artistic side. Divergent thinking means being able to come up with more than one way to solve a problem. Meditation helps you think of new and different ways to do things. You can look at problems from different sides and come up with new ways to solve them when your mental flexibility is better. Meditation can help you be more creative in many areas, not just when you're fixing problems. Your inner artist can come out when you quiet your thoughts and focus on the present hour. Meditation helps a lot of artistic people get in touch with their true selves, which helps them make work that is more honest and inspired. Being in touch with your inner self is very important in Buddhist beliefs, and meditation can help you get to that creative place inside you. Meditation can help you be more creative and see the world in a new way. Whether you're an artist, writer, or just someone looking for new ways to deal with problems. Meditation is a technique that changes everything about your life. There are many deep and wide-reaching benefits to meditation, such as lowering stress and worry and increasing creativity. Buddhist spiritual lessons teach us that meditation is more than just being quiet. It's about becoming more aware of ourselves and the world around us. You can experience these life-changing benefits and start a path of personal growth, peace, and satisfaction by making meditation a part of your daily life.